Fa seusan iad le seirbhachal ag na Corstorphine Cougars iad days in a galabh, céad geama an diaach iad bhuannaich amach a céad diaach, a críoch na chuch le buai in a strílai an na Coimhead Rugby Premiership. Uch sin a chéad chupa Bidh gan cupa aghaidh.
The league season was really something special, I think, and really proud of the effort that the players put in. We had a lot of commitment to achieve that, and I think in a lot of the performances we came back in the last sort of 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes in the final. So that just shows me the resilience that the players had.
From the first 6 games that we went out and played, we were just really up for it. We trained so hard, we played so hard, and it was just really nice to see and just really good to see when we got on the pitch the stuff that we could achieve. So I think we ended up just kind of taking it game by game, and then it kind of got to that point of wow, we're on a roll, we've not lost. And then obviously they're getting that 14 out of 14 right at the end when it came to the final was just amazing. We were so tough with ourselves.
It was nerve-wracking, especially watching that. I absolutely had the belief in every one of those players that was in on that pitch. We had the strength, we had the depth, and Kyomi's done that a lot of times before, so seeing her get the ball there, as much as you kind of want to shut your eyes and hope, we knew that actually she was going to pull that move off. She'd done it many times before, and she did it again, so fortunately for us, she did what she was good at and got that final try.
We were just so proud of ourselves to manage to have done that, especially at home. Having the crowd down at Union Park, we fought so hard for it, and to be able to showcase it in our club, in our local club with the community was just really special. I think the cup went on a wee journey about town at some point. I think it just really brought the club together, and it was just so nice to see everybody celebrating us and all the hard work that we'd put in, and we really felt that we deserved it. So the celebrations were quite good.
Ha Corstorphine inis I the ruchgachuch ith Ban le in Dlúi le Alex Stewart agus Adele Ferry mar farste skipin a halape ag cúpa na crinne. Ruta tars talachas gan a cluich agus coachich nachke.
I've worked with Alex and she was 12, 13-year-old, and her work rate's been absolutely exceptional since that age. So, for those people that know her and understand her, then I don't think it was a huge surprise that she's in that environment at such a young age. She's achieved quite a lot, but she's still just turned 21, and she's been captain of Edinburgh, she's international caps and not looking out of place. So, yeah, massively proud of her. And then Adele sort of came to us a little bit later on. But just a conversation with Adele saying if you want to do it, it's within your capabilities as well. So yeah, we're massively proud of them.
I couldn't be prouder. I've got my banners made for them. Feel a bit like a proud mum sometimes. Absolutely fantastic to see the girls reach that level, and they do us proud every single time they walk onto that pitch. Every training session we're rooting for them, and whether they're on the team sheet or they're on the bench, they're on in the squad. That's an absolute win for Corstorphine. It's a win for Scotland because they've got some fantastic players from us. It's nice to have them back when they come back, but it's absolutely fantastic to watch them from the stadium and watch them on TV and just know that that's our teammates, that's our friends, and we will support them every step of the way.
It's just fantastic. It really shows their hard work, their effort, that everything that they've gone through has definitely led them to this moment, and we're just so proud that we've helped get them there.
Immert fichit a coig agus shia ith táirseach, and the Cougars a gamas I the nun servachas a cholan a gadíist, cluich an I the driachulik or shachat, agus duine ure it in the stig and clubbe, be crew it realite it the Cougars, ach an spirit, hast, a miskiskippe.
We've obviously had a few retirements from last year, so we lost quite a bit of experience. And we've obviously got 2 players away at the World Cup. We've got a few young players that are coming through that we think are pretty resilient, so it's been exciting having those players coming along and taking part in pre-season. And then quite a big new leadership group as well, so players just sort of finding their feet in terms of what their role is with that as well. So yeah, a bit of a change, but the same sort of Corstorphine Cougars is still there. I think we look back at the things we did well and try and replicate that. Telling players that this is what they did really well is motivational. I don't think a lot of teams like coming here, so to get a win here is quite special for other teams, and I think the players understand that, we understand that, and that's why we try and prepare as best we can to make sure that we give the players the best opportunity to go on and win the match.
We had some absolutely fantastic players that you can never replace their experience and what they bring as individual players. But what that does allow us to do is evolve and grow, and it allows new players to step into a new role, whether that's stepping up or coming through. It's absolutely fantastic to see every single player now step into that role, as well as gaining new coaching staff as well, which allows us to bring a different game plan and just see where Cougars can go from the seasons before.
I think we know what we can do when we come together as a group, and when we put in like that heart, that energy, the passion that we had that carried us through that season. We know that we're going to take little aims at a time and just keep going goal after goal. I think it's a bit of a big shot to be like, right, 14 out of 14 this year, but who says we can't do it?